All right, go ahead.
It's a Simplefusion Virtual Bridges demo. What you see here is a basic desktop. Booting over the network, it pulls down a custom image based on Ubuntu. Everything's customizable as far as the image to suit your needs. Any old desktop thin client can be configured to boot this custom image over the network. Right now it's stretching across both screens. It'll actually log in automatically in production, so you won't have to worry about this. Log in here. A couple of little tweaks. Basically full Ubuntu install, kind of thinned down a little bit. It has everything that a basic desktop has, and it can even have more, really. Has Chrome built in. You can go to YouTube from here. This is the email login for Chrome, or Google per se. You can go to YouTube. You can do any regular browsing, and it's just as fast as a whole computer. Sound and everything works. Aside from that, having everything before you actually get into the Windows virtual machine, you have your login screen here, your user console, where the users will initially log in and see the images and the virtuals that are assigned to them. You have your domain list here. It's all very basic. Pretty much just type in my domain username and password. This is joined to our domain right now. Shows your desktop, the images that you're assigned. If you're assigned multiple ones, it'll show you the multiple images. It's not really necessary. Basically just hit the play button, give it a second. Brings up your full desktop here. You see dual screen, come over here, pull everything. You have full Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, anything you need. I mean, it's a full desktop, so there's no restrictions or anything like that. You go to YouTube. Everything's very fast. I mean, pretty much on par with a full desktop for the most part. Microsoft Office, pull up Word. Everything boots up. There's no waiting or anything that's going to slow you down for the most part in a business setting. I can do Excel. Comes right up. Got YouTube in the background playing this video right here while I'm doing all that, and it's not having any effect whatsoever on the system. So just to show like a video preview. So the default settings will all be set. This is a fresh image. Those are all that. The trailer of this movie right here. Going to full screen.
King has his reign, and then he dies. It's inevitable.
Prometheus has Verde.
These are ancient civilizations that were separated by centuries, and yet this same pictogram was discovered in every one of them.
They're smiling.
I think they want us to come and fight them.
We're all here because of a map you two kids found in a cave.
Not a map, an invitation.
From whom?
caught up there. I like that video. The good thing about this, I mean, it seems like it might be a little bit laggy. Virtual Bridges and Spice actually pulls the video and audio separate and syncs it back up on your side so that the mouth and the voice stays in sync. But the good thing about this whole setup is that you don't even need to be in your virtual setup to use Chrome, like I showed you before. You have a full desktop here. I mean, and just to show you the difference, that specific video actually does have some slow moments to where it might seem like it was going slow on the virtual, but it doesn't.
And then he dies.
Full performance as a side-by-side view.
It's inevitable. An invitation.
Just kind of skim through this. Like I said, this is all outside the virtual. You can minimize it, do whatever you need to do. Basic little key combo to get back is just Shift 11. Brings you back to your full desktop. And then you're back into your full desktop doing whatever work you need to do. And that's pretty much the gist of it.